Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add and customize menu in Wix Studio. So first thing that we should do is to simply open our Wix Studio and then we have to log in to our account, of course. Okay, so now that we are here on the website, so we are going to place the menu section at the very top of this page. Okay, so let me just remove this unnecessary menus at the bottom of this page. So what we are going to do is we are going to add here a new cell at the very top so that we can place here our menus. Okay, so you just have to simply click on this one over here and then click on add cell and then select at the top. Okay, so next thing that you should do is to simply click on the add elements option, this one at the left side of our screen, and then go to the menu and search. Okay, and then right here for the menus, we have horizontal menus. So when you click on this one, you'd be directed to the template. So we have vertical menus. We also have the anchor menus. Okay, so here is the vertical menus over here. And then the anchor menus. We also have the hamburger menus and then the breadcrumbs menus. Okay, so for this one, I'll be using the horizontal menus. So you just have to go to the horizontal menus and then just have to select your template. Okay, so I'll be using this one. Okay, so it's up to you what kind of template you are going to use for this menus. Okay, so after that, you just have to place it at the right, at the center, or at the left side of your cell. Okay, so here I'm just going to place it at the left side so that you can see the edit sections. You just have to click on this arrow at the top right, okay, to open up the settings. Okay, so we can edit and customize this template. So right here we have the size. For the X-plane, we have this 9 pixels. Okay, so we can customize this one. For example, I'm going to change this to 5 pixels. And then for the Y plane, we have this pixel, so I'll be changing this to 15. And then for the width and the height, so I'm not going to change this one. I'm just going to leave this one as it is. And then for the next one is the responsive behavior. So we have relative width. So I'm going to use fixed for this one. Okay, and then for the design, so what do you want to design? So for the menu container, so when you click on this one and then click on the menu items, okay, you'd be able to see this settings. So we have here the background fields, so we can add a layer if you want to. And then here for the text, we have the style of the text. So right here, we can change the font style. Okay, and then here for the font, just have to simply select the font that you want to use. And then you can also change the font size. So just have to simply drag this cursor, or you can also type out right here the specific size that you want to apply. Okay, so for example 0 pixels, so I'll be changing this to 12. Maybe that would do. Okay, and the next one here is for the character spacing. So you can also drag the cursor or simply type out right here your specific spacing. Okay, and then for the line spacing, we can customize this one as well, or click on automatic. And then for the shadows, if you would like to add a shadow, just have to simply click on it. And then right here, you can also add the specific angle. Okay, and then we also have the distance and the blur. Okay, so next one is the borders. So when you go to the border section, you'd be able to see these borders. Now, if you would like to change the color of your borders, so you just have to simply click on that color icon and then select your color. And then right here, we also have the gradient color. So if you'd like to apply this one, just have to go here and then simply click on OK. Okay, so I am applying this gradient color. Then if you would like to change the pixels for your border, so you just have to simply click on that number and then change it to the number that you want to apply. Okay, next one is for the corners. So right here we have a fixed corners. So if you would like to unlock this one, just simply click on this locked icon and then you'll be able to unlock this one and customize it. Here, if you would like to add shadows again, so just have to simply drag this cursor, but I'm just going to leave this one as it is. And then for the docking, margins, and padding, if you would like to make any changes here, so you just have to do the same. You just have to simply click on the numbers and then type out the number that you want to apply. Okay, so that's it for this customization of your settings. Now, what we are going to do next is to simply click on that template and then click on Manage Menus. And then right here, we are going to add the necessary items. Okay, so right here, we just have to click on the menu at the top, and then we are going to click on Manage Site Menus. Okay, so we are going to create a new site menus. So click on Add New Menus, and then just have to make your own title. Okay, so for example, main, I'm going to name this one as main. And then next is we are going to add the items that we want to appear at the top for our menus. Okay, so just simply click on Add Items and then go to the main pages. We can also add linked. We have subtitle menus and mega menus. So I'm just going to select the main menus over here and then make sure to uncheck the main pages that you don't want to appear at the top of this page. Okay, so I think I need homepage. I also need our story, about us section, and of course, the rules. Okay, after that, you just have to simply click on apply. And then if it's very crowded, you just have to simply stretch the menu template. Okay, so just have to do that. And then after that, you can also go to the layout section. Now right here we have the overflow items for the menus. We have wrapped, and then if you would like to select scroll, so we can also apply this one, but I'm just going to select wrap. And we also have submenus and mega menus settings. So we have to add this element so that we can edit it later on. So here for the horizontal spacing between items, we can change the pixel, and for the vertical spacing between items as well. Okay, and then for the text alignment, we have the left side, the center, and the right side. So I'm going to select center. And then for the menu item direction, I am going to select left to right, but you can also apply the right to left according to your want. Okay. And then here for the item padding, we have horizontal padding, so we can change the pixel of this one. And then also for the vertical padding, so you just have to simply drag the cursor or simply click on the number and then type out the specific number that you want to apply. So after that, you just have to simply click on this X icon at the top. Then after that, before we publish this one, okay, we have to preview and check if everything is working fine. Okay, so just click on the preview icon at the top. Then right here, when someone click on the specific main page, they would be redirected to that specific page. Okay, so as you can see, my pages are empty since this video is just for the example. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.